Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide WhatsApp chat with the archive feature. Friends, due to some reason if you want to ignore someone's chat or don't want to get disturbed by any particular WhatsApp group, then you can very easily archive all these chat and group in WhatsApp. Like if I want to ignore this chat, then I simply need to long press on this contact, and from the above option window I just need to press on archive button. Now that chat will disappear from my main window and will be available in archived section. Like this, if you want to archive any group, then you need to adopt the same method by long pressing on the group name, and from the above option window need to press on archive button. Now both the chats are available in archive section. So friends, like this you can very easily disappear the chat of a particular person or a group by the help of archive feature in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.